What is up mga pangit and welcome back sa isa naman kag-game. So mo din siya ang low budget repair. So dugay ko na ginapaabot nga duha kay murag ganahan kong tan-awa. Unya nag-release naman sila og demo. So ato na testingan, let's go. Tiles only need to stay in place until the job is done. Yes sir. Oh. Eh, napay baka.
Dear Marchek, we have not seen each other for so long, and you probably don't even remember your old Aunt Helena, all the way from America. But I'm sure you will fall in love with the fresh air and all this Warsaw culture, just like I did when I was young.
Uy, unsa man ni?
Yeah, I think
Hi.
You must get used to it because I decided to gift you my Warsaw residence. I know for you this
So,
is
tagan
a
tanyag
big
balay.
surprise, but you were always my most beloved nephew.
So okay.
Stop. Get off.
Okay, manaog na ka boss. Sorry boss ha. Let's go.
You will find it no problem. When you
When
step off the bus, take the
bus.
first road to the left.
To the left. To the left. So this is the left, right? Okay, let's go over there. Can we run? Yes, sir.
Or maybe it was the right.
Ha?
Valera,
Ano
I
sa
have
Jud?
not visited this dump in ages.
Ay, kani mo
You
guro
know
ni.
what? You better ask
Ay,
Barbara.
hi, Nay.
My very good friend. I used to go to her for a glass of tea. She
Okay.
will help you.
Okay, Nay. Hi, Nay. Asa day dapit ang among balay sa una, Nay? Ang balay ni Aunt unsa to?
Good morning, Miss Barbara.
Moaning?
Morning.
Well, young man. Straight to
Huh?
business, are we?
What the?
I won't say no. But aren't I a bit too old for you?
Unsa daw? What? I said good morning, Miss Barbara.
No, I said good morning, Miss Barbara.
No, I'm Barbara.
Barbara, I say, yeah. Sweet Jesus. This is good.
Sweet Jesus, this is going to take a while.
Okay. Listen, I'm looking for
Listen,
a number 101.
I'm looking for number 101.
101, miss.
Sweetheart, I don't have that kind of money. My pension is a mere 300 zloty. Barely enough for potatoes and cigarettes.
Bungol man ka, oy.
No, the
Halos
house number
101.
101.
Kana, kusga.
Oh, easy now. I'm not that ancient. Only
Only
70
70
springs young. You should have seen me at your age.
Mao ba?
Ma'am, the house number
101.
101.
You should have said. You're going to Helena's.
Yes,
Straight
Nay.
down the road, then left. Can't miss it. How is Helena, anyway?
She's fine. Goodbye.
Fine. Goodbye.
She's doing time? Oh, my. So,
Oh my God. Unya na gid mi ani
Oh
mahuman.
my God.
So, to the asa daw diri. Okay. So, hinaan sa nato gamay ang sensitivity ba? Okay, kusog jud kayo. No? And okay na guro na. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So, to the left mo, ne? Unindot malagi ni 101 lagi. Mo ba ni?
No, I told you, go to the right. And to make it easier for you,
Oh,
I
Mama
am
ni.
attaching a picture
Whoa, Hilera.
of the neighbor's house, mine
neighbor's nice
across the street.
Ngek.
Right.
Okay. So, kanila itong
Thanks,
balay.
Auntie. Wonder if the whole thing collapses the second I touch the door.
Bobergurwa. So, lifting objects. Q to empty hands for radial. E to lift objects. See. Pwede ni E. Q. E. Okay. Ana rin itong trabaho. Select the empty hand for the radial. Lift objects with E. I cannot lift that, man. Okay, kana. Tapos, rotate the item. T to... T to reset the rotation. But, dili man. Drop item E. Okay. Move the bike. Move the tables. So, come here, bike. You are coming with me. Okay. So, move the boxes. Move the table. Okay. Dito na tanan. Kani uban boxes. And this one. Enter the house. Okay.
Oh man, it's
Kuyawa na
even worse
poster,
on
oy.
the inside.
Yung sa maning balaya, oy.
Possible.
Oh, sa to?
And it sounds like the place is already occupied.
Nah, namguro tao diri. Kinsa na nakasodres balay?
You,
Hala.
Zach, you know
May
I
nagsumbag,
love
gay.
you like a brother. But if you don't
Uy.
tell me right now who
Uy, kinsa man ni?
my bottle yesterday,
Uy, kinsa man na?
I'll
Oh my
fuck
God.
you up like a
Hey!
toddler fucks up a party.
Okay,
Did you
skip
get
that.
it?
Sige, magyaw-yaw mo da. Ay. So, defend. Drop. Throw. BAM! Sa buhatan.
Fuck you!
Ah!
Clara. Now I'm sinking to their.
Oo.
Find
Hulo,
a way to
hulo.
smoke these two out of here.
Oh, drinking master, man. Okay, so, let's cheers. BAM! Da.
You hit the vaccine, love.
Ah, sorry. Hawa mo dire. This is my house, man. My house. Gihatag ni sa auntie, man. Oh my God, pick that up. Oh! Da.
The easy part's done.
Oh?
Now I should clean up before this.
So, ato ni
Fragrance
Hindu, ah.
attracts more unwanted guests.
Oh
I
my
wonder where the
God.
trash can is.
So, ito ba ito? Find the trash bin and the kitchen and take it. So, trash bin. This one, right? Muni? And take it. Take it. Oh. No, unsa man ni? Di ni mao? May trash bin
Oh,
diri.
there's
Ana ra.
trash bags. Even
Okay.
better.
Okay, so kani daw kwaon. Pagkahuman, trash bags. May trash bag. Kana itindog ra gud na be. Rotate man. Okay, we're good. Tapos, coins. Nay kwarta. Is me. Man, I can take that. Uy, nara trash bag day. Okay. So, clean up the room. Ay, sa kuning coins. Bro, sayang ang coins. Di na ako makuha. Come on, coins. Okay, ay na lang. So, clean up all the trash in the living room. Okay, so kaniguro. Oh my lord. Oh, sama ni. Collect trash. Pack. Di ka ego. Hikaraghan. So, i-collect din na to. 15 ka trash. This one, right?
There was a dumpster up
Okay.
by the gate, I think. I'll throw this bag in there.
Sige. Q. Kamot. And pick that up. So, ilabay daw ni nato. Okay. We're doing good, guys. We're doing good. By the... Ay, nara. What the?
Time
Okay,
to
very
check the
good.
other rooms.
So, let's go to check the other rooms. Kuyawa po daan ni nga duwa. Ay, kani. Ay, maayaw.
Somehow throwing out the garbage made the place look even more depressing.
Yung taon.
It's begging for renovation, and it won't be cheap.
Pwede na, Abraham.
P.S. If you need any kind of job, go to my good friend, Mr. Izbishik.
Mr. Izbishik?
That one is a real craftsman. He could unclog a pipe like nobody else.
Mao ba? Sige.
I saw a payphone outside. I could use it if I
Sige.
manage to scrape up some change around the house.
Ay, manguha lagi tag coins lagi. So, kani. Okay na tay coins. Okay, tawagan na to ang iyang katong amiga ni auntie. Okay, let's get that coin. And... na coin.
This won't pay for a long chat.
Okay.
I hope it's enough.
Sige. Matawag daw ta sa payphone. I'm at a payphone trying to call. Oh, what about changes, babe? Okay. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this Mr. Zbishek?
Yeah, who's talking?
Maciek Patala.
Machik pitala.
Helena Naverin's nephew.
How's she doing? Or is she doing time?
No, she's in the U.S. Listen, I'm after some work. Wanna make a
Lucky
little...
for you, kid, I'm actually opening up a recruitment for an assistant. Meet me at the client's place, 32 Pine Street, apartment 12.
Nag-recruit naman noon ta.
Show me what you can do.
That was... quick. Well, on my way then.
Okay, sige. Ay, so dili pa dito mo atong trabaho i-recruit daw ta ni katong laki kay para patrabaho unta. Tas mo trabaho din ta sa iyang mga trabaho. Di ba? Oy. Shibek! Shibek! Kaningog-ngog kanang radyo ha, oy. Sorry. Shibek! Shibek! Whoa. Can I use this? Whoa! Uy! Okay, so how much is Shibek die? Shibek! How much is Shibek? Shibek! Ay, naraday. Hi, Shibek! Sir! Sir, nana ka, sir!
Come on, Helena. You like this?
Saan daw? Nagdam ko na. Hello, Mr. Shibek.
Hello? Mr. Zbizek?
Shibek?
Mister, why Mister?
Mister.
We are friends. No need to be so official.
Mr. Shibek, maybe I should reconsider.
Maybe I should reconsider this career path.
Okay, Mr. Shibek, that's man out of it.
The man's out of it. Reeks of vodka, too.
What where is
Na, nakamata na Mr. Shibek.
Who are you?
I came from work. We spoke on the phone.
I come for work. We spoke on the phone.
Yes, yeah, right. I was waiting. for you.
Nahubog man ita ni
Take this
director.
paint and work on the wall. I must finish.
No, mga klaro, sir, oy. Sige. Paint the wall. Kani? Damn. Hinayo na to na. So buhaton. Paint the wall in the living room. Pick up the paint brush. And dip the... What? Saan pag-abrian ni? Dip the brush in the paint. So, asa man ang brush? Where did my brush go? Narday. Okay. So, saan pag-open ani?
Hala!
Yabo. Okay, Mr. Shibek. Sa kay dip. Okay, so pintalan daw ni. Damn! Whoop! Dali arm di nga trabaho di ay. Oh? Wow. Pak. Sa dip. Master painter man ko di ay. Oh? Patay nagtulo-tulo. Napag si Jesus Christ. Okay, diri ka Jesus Christ. Okay, dara ka. Nice. Okay. Nagtulo-tulo man. Ay sa walay tabon ani. Hoy sir. Asa ang nakikarton dia Brother. Ang karton ani nagtulo-tulo ang pintal. Okay ra no ihabitan ni lugar. Okay. Bam. Tapos no? Bam! So satisfying man.
You really made a mess, kid.
Hala,
Are you painting the wall or the floor, huh?
Hala, sorry sir.
If you laid some foil first, there would be no mess.
Sorry sir ah.
Why foil? You are
Cheaper.
cheaper, boy. Grab a rag and clean this up. I think there's one on the kitchen counter.
Sige sir. Sorry sir ha. Rag. Okay, let's get that rag. Tapos, Q. Nado tayo rag and trapuhan na to. Okay, good. Sorry sir ah. Okay na sir. Hinuan pa na ako pati mo salog sir.
Good enough. No one's gonna eat on the floor anyway.
Tapos.
I have a special mission
Okay na
for
ni.
you now.
Sige, okay na.
Take these
Unsa man sir?
keys, go to my car, and bring
Unsa may
one
adton?
important thing.
Okay, unsa day akong kwaon? Go to the car and take go to the container truck. So, kani
Curdle.
ay
Of
sus.
course. No wonder.
Mga imnon mga gihapon. Okay. Mo ni klaro sir Shibek oy. Unsa pa day? Take something out of the trunk. So kani return to Shibek. Ay kadto ra day ang imnon raday okay. Wa man dito sudang uban. Nara sir Shibek. Nara sir oh.
Took you
Huy,
so
unsa man
long.
na sir? Hala sir, ayaw na gamitin gi screwdriver huy.
Deducted from your pay.
Sir, uy, dili man ni
You're
nana.
not paying me yet.
Sir.
Oh, Mr.
Sir, ayaw na gamitin og screwdriver sir. Gitudluan ko na sa akong papa sir.
Earn. come here. I will teach
Sir,
you a little
napatay ko na siya.
electrical and engineering. Do you have permission?
Wala, sir.
Nope.
No worry, me too.
Oh.
But I have
Okay, sir.
something better. A good business head.
Okay.
Anyway, this is
This is not the rocket science. Our situation is good. Okay.
There. Now.
Sir, ayaw lagi gamitin screwdriver og magkuan ka og sakit lagi. Makurintihan ka na do. Napis ko tataguan ko pa lagi.
Mr. Zbyszek, are you alive?
No,
Yep, that's my job gone in a flash.
Na,
Still last
Hala, hala, hala.
than the last one.
Hala.
Kurwa?
Ha?
What?
There. Job done.
Si Jabdan, uy, namatay na mga ka.
Lord. The bottle. Kid.
Anara.
What the Kurwa fuck?
Hala, sorry niya, natabakan. Oh. Okay. Nayabo. Patay na mga call na. Pataka lang. Ano ba?
Hell? No punch. This water or what?
No. This may sound pessimistic, but I think you're dead. You got electrocuted bad.
This may sound pessimistic, but I think you're dead.
Namatay na ka, sir.
Got
Nakurintihan
electrocuted
ka.
bad.
Danghag manggod galig ang minaw.
Not good. I don't know how long, but it's not all bad.
My back doesn't hurt anymore,
hurt
and my wife will
anymore.
stop complaining I'm drunk all the
And
time.
my wife will stop complaining I am drunk all the time.
Umaas maayo na,
Okay,
sir.
kid. No need to stress about a little misadventure.
Call the owner.
Call the owner and tell him job is done.
Time to pay.
To pay.
Okay, sir. Good luck sa mong kamatayon. Ay, sorry, natamakan pa, Jud. Complete the job. Bye-bye, sir. Amping di, ha? Luuya, tawahan na nakurintihan. Mo na, kaya di mamaminaw. Okay, tawagan dahil. Okay, sama ni. Okay, job is done daw. Ay, lahi na itong balaya or iya hatong balay? Yang giayo. Oh my God. Wow, kasabot. Tired of hauling trash to the dumpster? Throw it out the window. Who's going to prove it was you? Oh, nice. Nice ko. Ano si tawag ani? Ay. Di man mo gana akong utok sa mga nani, oy. Advice dahil. Nice advice, sir. Saan naman po? Go to Zbyszek. Oy, naparay ka dire. Hala. Uy, what a dump.
What? Hey.
Ay, tudloan ta niya. Okay.
And these stains. I think I know where they're from.
Uy, asa din nagikan, boss.
I did some plumbing for Helena here once.
Okay, sige, sir.
Lucky I took the leftover paint from the client. Cover it up, will you? It hurts my eyes.
Okay, sige, sir. So, paint over the stained walls. May stained walls. Tanan man ni, sir. Okay, nawala na siya kani. Wait. Where am I going? Here? No? Kani. So, nanatay paintbrush, di ba? So, kani. Okay. Ato ni pinturahan. Kay pangit na kayo daw. Okay. So, this is gonna take some time. Pero, we need to do this, man. Para nindot atong balay. Hala, pati ang ibabaw ni Brown. Hala, nag-usik pa, Jud. Pero okay ra na. We have this job, man. This job is very nice. Okay, bahala magtuto na da. And we're done. Apil boss. Okay, doon tarungon ako, ha. Bam. Up, tos no. Boom.
Now that I like.
You like that, sir?
Listen, good as new.
Good as new.
This paint won't peel off in a year.
Oh, kana,
The
sir. Okay, kay
color
sir.
stands out a little.
What are you, interior decorator? Stop fussing and pick up the place.
Oh, okay na,
Right
no?
now you're in the red, and you haven't even earned back the paint you have used.
So what now? Fill these holes?
Yes.
Okay.
Not here. Second one. You practice new skills at the client's place.
What?
I have just the perfect little job lined up for this.
Okay,
Let's go.
sir. Okay, let's go. Go outside, go to the car and drive. Okay. So, ako yung driver ni sir. Oh! Danghag yung ka, oy! Patay na lagi ka.
There it goes. Note to self.
No leaning. Not like Aunt Helena.
Oh no.
Eh.
We never leaned away from anything, if you know what I mean. Get a kid.
Okay, sige.
Alright, fun's over. Back to work.
Okay, go to the and drive your customer. Okay. Sumato ta sa customer's house. Let's go. Murag taas-taas guro na siya nga gameplay ba? Pero I like it, ha? I like it. So mo ni atong wow! Ito represent customer's apartment. Okay. Una na siya. Hi!
What do we have here?
Unsa na itong unaho? Unsa itong baton?
Out with the old sofa. Come
Okay.
on, grab it.
Tapos,
Kid, you're not hauling that down the stairs.
unsa di ay?
Out the window with it.
Mao, sige! I like this job already. Ha! Ha! Bye!
There. Out of sight, out of mind. Now, fill those holes in the walls and you're done.
Okay,
What? Fill them with what?
unsa day?
I'm lost.
Unsay buhaton?
Must I teach you everything? Plaster.
Unsa day buhaton?
Right there. Dip and go. Dip and go.
Unsay dip and go? Unsang pod ni? Unsay dip and go, pick up the spatula, plaster wall. Kani? Mo ba ni? Kani spatula, scoop the plaster like this. And kani ayuhon nato ni. Okay, kani mga buslot. Okay. Ako bala ni boss. I got you, boss. Hinlo kay ko mo trabaho, boss. Ay kabala ka, boss, ha? Bam. Pak. And down. Down. Op. May kay ko mo trabaho, boss, no? Ikaw gyud ang mentor, boss. Ganahan ko pag ikaw mo tudlo sa ako, boss. Na, okay, wala na. Get some of that. And balik, okay. Okay na, bahala na diyang nagkuhan-kuhan, eh. Okay. Bahala na diyang nagtuto.
Good.
Okay na na.
Good enough. Now paint it.
Ay, paint it. May paint na to. Paint brush. Okay. Expert. Pirmahan, be. Bam! Okay. Ganahan ko, kay satisfying. Bam! Okay, pintal. Okay na ni sir. Kabam! Napaywa na butngan. Okay na na, Okay, good. The repair is done, boss.
Stop fussing with it. That's enough. Let's get going.
Sorry. Okay na. Awa pa? Unsa pa man? Unsa pa yung pabuhat? Complete the job. Okay na. Complete the job na.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Unsa di ay? Ay, trapuhan.
Did I miss a spot?
Ay, sa trapuhan.
Dumber than a left.
Sorry.
Remember what you didn't grab from last
Okay
time?
na.
Oh, the paint. On it.
Okay na.
Yes. And bring that bucket of plaster too. We need it more than the client does.
Okay, ko ano na to? Our store backpack. Okay, kanipod ko na to na dili. Kuhaan po din na to. Okay. Complete job. Okay, we're good. Bayad na, sir. Ana raw, dali ar sa trabaho, oy. Basic. Kahuman. Okay. Hanuman ta. Uy. Hi, Nay. Amo uning balay. Unsa day, Nay? No day, Nay.
Well, finally. You're the
Your
handyman from the Garden Street job?
Yes, ma'am. Bakit po? Ano meron po?
What's this about?
It's about some
Uy,
idiot
uy.
dropping a sofa bed on my butt.
Hala! Oh, look, madam.
Oh, look, madam. I really
Hala.
didn't want.
And my upstairs neighbor A good man that he is, told me you did this renovation, and everything turned out great.
Uy,
Very happy he was.
very happy. Mhm.
Mistake! Oh, kid.
Usa may mistake
Tell
adto
you
boss.
once you do it too well.
Usa may mistake adto boss.
Quiet!
What?
Ay sorry ma'am, dili to ikaw ma'am, dili to ikaw ma'am.
Nothing, nothing.
Dili to ikaw ma'am ha.
You would like the balcony fixed, madam?
If
Uh-oh.
you could, when are you free?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know.
I'll pay extra.
Okay ma'am, sige go.
I'll be there today.
Wow.
This is so for you.
There's hope for you yet.
Mhm. Okay, madto ko the drive to the client's place. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Nanapod tay client. Kani nga trabaho ang ganahan. Hala. Ay oo. Murag ako ginaglabay ana diha ba? Okay, sorry. Sorry about that, ma'am. Come on. Check the condition of the balcony. So, nindot talag lugar ni ma'am. Pwede ako anan eh. Okay, no. Okay, wag. Stock of shirt. Asan ni? Incense. Banha gining radyo ha, oy. Ay, sorry.
That's how you learn the job.
A little.
A little luck.
Yeah. I'm sure I will do.
I'm not sure I have either of those things.
Okay, third time's the charm. And
Remember, kid, we're on
the
second floor.
floor.
Push.
Push.
Okay. Gotcha, mister. Ngug-ngug ng radyo, ha? Bed. Hala, sorry, naguba. Kani i-push.
Now I teach you tiling. First, you prepare the surface. The sofa did have to work for you, but few tiles are still standing.
Unsa di atong
Grab the
buhaton?
hammer and smash them.
Unsa di buhaton? Use the hammer. Uy, salamat. Naday kay hammer da gidada. Use the hammer to break the remaining tiles of the balcony. Okay, destroy the tiles. Ay kanangaguba da iyang kuan. I got you, homie. Ay sa. Okay, hanaman to ang akong martilyo.
Now tile
Okay.
glue. Take
Tile
the sack
glue.
and follow me. We'll find something to mix it in.
Okay, sige boss. Pour the glue into the container. Kani? Look for the container in the bathroom. I'll put that right there. And
Gotcha.
wa ko kita nimo. Da.
Lesson 2.
A real master never brings everything. You always forget something then demand it for the client.
And
Okay, sige. Pour the kani. Okay. Pour the glue in the bowl. Okay, drop that and pour it in. Pour it in.
now
Good.
water. It's free
Oh,
from
water.
the
Okay,
capsule.
okay.
Don't be shy with it.
Oh, tapos asa mo ko tubig? Okay, so kwaon ni. Oh, mayabo. Pag hinay, op. In the sink. Okay, let's get some water. Hala, nayabo piskot. Kahuman. Fill with tap water. Okay, diara na.
That's enough,
Okay.
kiddo.
Okay. Talk to... Ay, kadali lang, ha? Usa dai, sir. Makikistorya pa ka? Okay, sa may mo.
Lesson 3.
What does a real master glue tiles with? With tile glue.
Tile glue?
Wrong. With hope and good wishes.
Sige.
Tile must hold until the client pays.
And a minute.
Not a moment, not a second longer.
Okay, sige, boss.
This balance of water and glue
Glue is perfect.
Understand?
Copy, sir.
Take the mix and hurry to the balcony, kid.
Okay, sige, sir. Let's do this.
Now then, set down the bowl, grab the trowel, and spread it, but sparingly.
O sa may gamit na ko, be. Pahol ma ko, be. Okay, kana. And this one, I think, right? Tapos, lay the glue in the balcony. Pack. Bam, bada bing, bada boom, bada boom. Bam. Okay. Get some of that and add more. Okay, Nana. Kahuman. Lay the glue in the balcony.
Glue tiles
Okay.
nice and neat, but keep
Tapos,
the grout lines wide.
Pick up all. Okay.
A toenails. A gorilla's toenail.
Unsa man hoy, dagham ka istorya.
We use the better. Every tile saved goes to the next job.
Okay, sige.
Do your own home.
And the crosses,
Sorry.
the little spacer crosses to keep it even.
Oh.
That I do not.
Isa, sir. Naglibog ko, sir.
Now glue. We do not have all day.
R. Bye! Tapos, lay tiles. Where's the tiles? Oh, not you, man. Okay, 4. Come on. Stick that in. Whoa! And put right there. Isa, ha? Put right there. Kana. Okay, we're good. We're Gucci. Okay, and di na maigo. And what the heck? Okay, kana. And bam! Okay, nana boss, magbutang pa ta dire. Unsa man pagbutang ani? Enter cut mode. So na cut mode. Ooh. Okay, unsa pag exit cut mode, cut, WSD, rotate cut. So, pwede siya ana. Okay, very good. Okay, ana, kana. Wow! Tapos, stick there in. Saan pagbutangan ni? Isa. Pagbutangan ni. Oh! Nahug! Okay, so, kuha na to. Tugbalik. Ano naman to? Okay na siguro, boss, no? Complete the job na, boss. Okay na, oy. Buang hago-hago. Okay, kompleto na. Yan, sa'yo next. Uy, yun sa mani.
The Unity Housing Cooperative hereby invites you to participate in the annual Super Handyman 95 contest.
What?
Applications now open.
Janusz Kielbasa.
Sorry, what?
For 20 years now, Screw organizes this prestigious Super Handyman contest.
Oh.
It is the biggest event of the season. All the top masters come and take part. Every year I enter, and every year I am this close to winning. But there is
Last-
always Janusz, the Screw president. Thief.
Hold on. Screw?
Society of Construction and Repairs Engineers and Workers. And who runs Screw? That goddamn kurwa miserable son of a Hojanus.
Sige na.
Hate that bastard. He organizes it, he enters it, he wins it every single competition. Where is the police, I ask you? Where? But those days are over.
Never
I have
know
you. You are young, not too bright, granted,
Not
but
too bright.
matter the thinking you leave to me. Janusz, get ready, you kush. Meshek, this year you fuck this kalbasa for me, and you fuck.
Oh, sige na.
That def
Okay, sige na. So, daghan na kay pamalikas, no? Sa man ta mo-appeal ta na. Ay, sumo na to siya.
Wonder what's on TV.
Oh, man na to.
You bet I do. We bring you a craftsman the likes of which the world has never seen. Whatever needs doing gets done. He can handle everything. He knows everything. Always cheap, always fast, always good. Well,
Acceptable.
What do you say to that?
Wow. Mo na to?
Us, it's possible. Painting, filling,
Oh,
tiling, paneling, anything you
oh.
can bang onto a wall,
Tanahog.
bang it. On top of that, flat pack furniture, window fitting, and much more.
Uy.
Zabish Buildex Limited.
Yaha man ni. So mo na siguro ni siya no. So dire tay kutob ang demo guys. So puli nag-enjoy mo nga video. Nya ganahan ko makita ni sa kuan sa full game. So hulata na tong full game ani no og ganahan po mag-comment mo da. Okay atong ako ni paliton nya. Imo na to content. So more to guys. Hopefully nag-enjoy mo ani. I love you all and see you sa next video. Bye.